Hello, guys, and welcome back. I hope you are having an amazing day. It's so great to be back with you to continue the lessons that we studied in the previous lesson. In the previous lesson, we talked about past simple. Okay, we said that we have regular verb and irregular verb. You should memorize all of them, okay? And we talked about the rule of past simple. We just explained it, a positive sentence, okay? And now open your book, go to page 57, okay? We have some different sounds, okay? Focus on the s sound, okay? If we have s with h, it will be sh, okay? You know that. And this paragraph is about what? This paragraph is about the Green Hill. They are a group of children helping the community, and they picked up the rubbish to be cleaned. Okay, we have some past verb. We have went. If we make it to present, it will be go. Okay. And we have picket. Picket with ed, it's a regular verb because with ed it will be past, okay? Ed. And we have cut, it's the same thing with present and with past. It will be not change, okay? We meet, also we have meet, it's a present simple. Okay, finish, it's a present simple also. We have finished. If we make it to past, it will be finished. Ed, just by ed, it will be past. Okay, please be careful and memorize the regular verb and irregular verb. Okay, and now go to this page 57. Yes, okay. We have these categories. Yes, we have yes and we have no. If someone asking you to go with her or to do something, instead of yes or no, you can say what? For yes, you can say that's a good idea. Okay, and you can say yes, let us, and you can say great. Okay, for no, you can say not today, I'm sorry, or I'm sorry I can't, or no thank you. Okay, yes. For example, let me read it for you. Let's go to the sports center. Let's go to the sports center. He can't to go with him, so he will say I'm sorry I can't. I'm sorry I can't instead of no. And let's go to the shopping mall. He would like to go with her, so she said great. Okay, and now go to past simple, the rule of past simple. We talked about positive sentence. We said that with a positive sentence, the rule, it will be subject, verb, complement. Okay, with the subject, it means that noun, pronoun, animals, things, noun, one name or two name. Okay, and for pronoun, we should say I, we, you, they, he, she, it, all of them. Okay, for example, I went to school. I went to school. Okay, I, it's a subject. When, it's a verb past. To school, it says complement. When, it is what? When, it's irregular verb. If we make it to present, it will be go. Okay, be careful about this one. And this one for negative. For negative, we have subject, also we have noun, pronoun, animals, and things. Also we have pronoun, all pronouns. But for negative, we put didn't between subject and verb base. But now, verb, it will not be past. Verb, it should be what? Should be base. Okay, because if we have didn't, the verb it will be verb based because we can't put two past verbs together in one sentence. Okay, she, for example, I didn't go to school. I didn't go to school. Look at the verb. Verb it will be base without ed or without irregular verb. Go it will be went for irregular verb. Okay, ناتوانین دوو ڤەربی پاست لەگەڵ یەکتر بێن لە ناوڕستا ئەگەر ددنتمان هەبوو ڤەربەکەی پاشی دەبیتە ڤەرب بیس ڤەرب بیس گوتمان بەبێ ئیدیان بەبێ ئاینجیا بەبێ ئەوەی ببتە پاست ئۆکەی نابی دوو ڤەربی پاست لە تەنیشت یەک بی یعنی ناتوانی بڵێ I didn't went to school. It's wrong. Okay, you can't say I didn't went to school. You should say I didn't go to school. He didn't finish the book. Okay, he didn't finish the book. It is didn't, it is for negative, and finish it is verb base. Okay, how we know that the sentence is negative? By having didn't. Okay. Okay, let me read. Okay, let me read the questions. For question, we put did at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, for question, we put did at the beginning of the sentence because it is past simple. We talk about past simple. Okay, after did we should have subject like positive and negative, and also we have verb base because we have did. If we have did for question and we have didn't for negative, the verb it will be base, and we have complement and we have question mark. Please don't forget question mark. Okay, for example, did you go to school? Did you go to school? Did, it's like this. You, we have subject. Go, we have verb base. To school, we have complement and we have question mark. The answer, it will be shorter for yes or no question. Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Okay. Did she finish the book? Did she finish the book? We have also did. It means that this verb it will be base. We can say did he finish the book or did you went to school. It's wrong, please. It's wrong. We can't say two past verbs together. Okay, did it is for one, he it's for this one, finish verb base, the book complement, and we have question mark. Yes, he did, or no, he didn't. Okay, now go to unit 11. Okay, unit 11, it's also about the past simple negative. Revise for an exam. It is revise. We have revise for an exam. We have this one, it's present. If we make it to past, it will be revised. We have e, just we put de for verb. Write a story. We have what? We have write. If we make it to negative, if we make it to past, it will be wrote a story. Draw a picture. We have draw also. If we make it to past, it will be drew. Okay, do your homework. We have do is present. If we make it to past, it will be did. Find out about pollution. Find, it's present. If we make it to past, it will be found. Okay, read a book about environment. Read, we have read also. Yes, also it's like the same thing, read a book. Okay, look at this one. Okay, we have what? We have present. Okay, in the present we have write, draw, do, read, find out, about. Okay, if we make it to past, write, it will be wrote. Okay, I write, it will be I wrote. Draw, it will be drew. I draw, I drew. Do, it will be did. Okay, I do, I did. I read, it will be I read. Okay, I found out about, it will be I found out about. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you get benefit